Today's the day we are leaving, heading across the Atlantic. We've been here just shy of 2 weeks. A really nice place to stay. Just taking out the trash one last time. Remember when Tom took the Marina bike in Motril, Spain to pick up the jerry cans? We are now finally filling them up with diesel for our trip. Just doing a few little last minute preparations to get the boat ready and everything stowed away. Tom's just getting things stowed out here. What you doing?
I'm just securing this anchor. Lose the anchor, that would be expensive.
Thomas?
What?
You ready?
Not quite.
Okay. There's a couple boats that peeled off.
So you're feeling happy?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Sunrise spills on the sand, Mass Paloma's goodbye. Waves are humming softly, gulls are in the sky. Anchors up, hearts are light, compass set to roam. Two dreamers on a catamaran, the ocean is our home. We're sailing out where the trade winds call, where the stars write stories and the raindrops fall. From the dunes to the deep to the turquoise hue, Tom and Keely chasing freedom across the blue. Salt on our skin, laughter in the breeze. The world feels wide open when you're running with the seas. Night watch, coffee cups, a map under the moon. Caribbean horizon, we'll be there soon.
Oh, adios, Canarias. Hey, Canaries, adios, Canarias. It's real pretty though. Lighthouse, hotels. And the mountains are still cloudy and scary to drive on. That cement factory out there is called Aguinaguin. Aguinaguin? There's an accent on that one, so I don't know. Aguinaguin?
Storms may rise and the winds may roar, but love's the anchor that will bring us to shore. Every mile a memory, every wave a song, two hearts afloat where we both belong.
Just taking it slow.
We're sailing where the sunset glows and the dolphins sprawl. From Mascalomas to dreams come true. Tom and Keely forever across the blue.
got one.
What is it?
I don't know. I don't know much about fish. Hey, we got one!
You think he's dead yet?
He's not doing much. He's kind of spazzing out.
Do you want to hold this? Because I think he's going to start flipping around.
Okay.
You want to wash the net off?
Sure.
Good job, sweetie.
Woohoo! Reeled that guy in. Full moon tonight. So bright. Pretty. Got a little stowaway. He keeps trying to get in. It's the end of day 2. It's been pretty uneventful today. We haven't done much. Just left the Bluewater runner up. Had bouts of not a lot of wind, and then the wind's finally starting to pick up. Tom's marking our position on our map, just to keep track of things. Have anything to say?
No. We took a cold ocean water bucket shower, which is fine, because we got to rinse off with fresh. Thank goodness we have a water maker.
Yeah, not much else.
A lot of sun today. Calm wind. Could have been a little faster, but I guess it was expected for today. That's it.
The whole world should have seen it. We're the only ones who've seen it. There's a thing you can't unsee on the ocean straight.
We could never dream it. It's so deep you can't dream it. Our dreams aren't this dark. Wish we had the words to say.
'Cause when we close our eyes, we still see magnificent day.